Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another trading results breakdown. So before I get into this video, I just want you all to know I am no professional trader, I am no financial advisor, I am not trying to teach anybody anything. These videos are to be looked at as entertainment purposes only. I'm just some dude on the internet who decided to start uploading his trading journey. Alright, so we'll just get right into it here. So if you guys watched my older videos and have been keeping up, I know that I gained a couple subscribers, thank you guys. But basically, long story short, we failed the challenge, or I should say the verification anyways. So what happened, as you guys know, in the last week's video, I pretty much was back to break even on the account. Now shoulda, coulda, woulda. I'm really disappointed in myself because I didn't do this, but what I should have done is I should have closed all of those trades at 1% risk. I would have been a little bit in profit, like $60 in profit, and then what happened was I didn't do that, and through the whole week I ended up losing, and I ended up losing the verification here. There's nothing to say about it really. Here are the statistics here, so I'm not going to go over them. I did breach the loss by $712, breached the maximum loss by $52. Here's the rest of the statistics. So what I found out through this challenge, or the verification, I actually learned a lot. So as you guys know, I said that if I failed the verification, I was going to stop trading on everything and I was just going to take a break. I actually kind of changed that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop trading on all the live accounts that I have, and I'm just going to trade a demo account because my confidence is really fucking hit. So it's going to be super hard for me to consistently execute my strategy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop trading on any real money for the next month, and what I'm going to do is just trade a demo account for like the next month or the next couple weeks until I feel ready. But with that said, there is the metrics. I'm going to start going into my charts just a little bit more with you guys, because it seems like you guys want to see that, and I feel like it would do a lot better on the channel. So here is my setup. So I'm still continuously going through my pairs again to see which ones are profitable or not with my strategy. So I found so far that AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD JPY, AUD CAD, AUD NCD, AUD USD, CAD JPY, CHF JPY, and NCD CAD, I have found that all of those pairs are very profitable for me. And so what I mean by that is, out of 100 trades, I am getting a positive return. All of the other pairs that I don't trade, obviously, you know, I used to trade 19 pairs, now I'm only trading about 6 to 7 different pairs. And that's because most of those strategies, I would be doing it out of 50 trades, but I need to be doing it out of 100 trades so I can experience different market conditions. And I found that simply the strategy just isn't profitable on most of those pairs. On some of them it is, and I'm just going to put on size onto those other pairs that are profitable. Here, the first change that I made with the strategy is with the 1 hour. So I was doing the daily trapping price on the daily structure levels and then waiting for a breakout candle on the 1 hour. I actually switched that to the 4 hour because the 1 hour I would just get caught in so many different false breakouts, and through backtesting I've actually found that I have a better win rate with the 4 hour than I do with the 1 hour, which is a good thing. The only thing I have to do is just sacrifice my patience level, so I have to really watch out for that. But let's get into some of the trades that I did take this week. So these are not trades that I took on the verification. I ended up losing the verification on Tuesday, and at that point I opened up a demo account and was like, okay, I'm just going to stick to the plan. I told myself I was going to open a demo account and not trade any real money for the next couple months or the next month or the next couple weeks to build up my confidence again. So that's what I'm doing. All of these trades I'm about to show you guys were taken on the demo account. So these trades over the long term on these pairs are going to have a positive return edge. I tracked a lot through my journal here for the past couple days. You know, I've done a lot of back testing. So here's AUD CAD. Pretty much it's going to be the same thing on all of these different pairs. Trapped price on the daily structure levels, you can see support here, resistance there, trap price on those levels, and then waited for a 4 hour candlestick to break out. So price has been consolidating at entry here for the past 2 days so far. So that's not a whole lot, but that's a pretty long holding time. You know, a lot of people that watch my videos are day traders. I get a lot of personal comments, and we'll just kind of talk and chat in, not in the comments, but private DMs on Instagram. My link to my Instagram is going to be down in the description below. But pretty much, they're day traders. Like, I noticed that everybody's day trading, and not a whole lot of people swing trade. Now, if that works for you, that's great. For me personally, that doesn't work for me. I can't day trade just because of emotionally and psychologically. I'm not all there. I can't do what's necessary to be able to be successful with that. But with swing trading, I found that swing trading is actually a lot easier for me to handle mentally, so I'm able to keep pushing forward with it. But you guys got to remember, as a day trader, you have totally different rules than a swing trader. A swing trader, I can trade any session I want. I just take the trade when it comes up, because I'm on such a high time frame that I have such big stop losses and trading on such a big time frame that different sessions don't really matter. Now, do I track different sessions? Yes. I do know that I get a lot of volatility during the London and New York session, especially the New York session. I found that I get a lot of volume in my pairs during those times. It doesn't matter when I take the trades, I just know that that's when I'm going to see the most fluctuation in my account. So a lot of the rules that day traders follow, I don't actually have to follow them as swing traders, because I have a whole different set of rules, because it's a different style of trading. But anyways, getting into it, so kind of broke down this one. Same thing on this pair. Daily resistance, daily support. 4-hour candle broke. I'm waiting for a pullback here. Same thing here, daily resistance, daily support. It hasn't created a new daily support yet, so I'm just waiting for a pullback. This pair right here, I actually got into. I was able to get into the trade. So this pair broke out at 6 in the morning. You can obviously see that in the bottom right corner. It's 6:15 in the morning. So my new sleep schedule has kind of shifted to waking up around like 4, 5, or 6 in the morning and going to bed really, really early. So I actually kind of like that schedule. But you can see that price broke out at about 6 in the morning when that 4-hour candle closed, and then pretty much we held the trade for, how long did we hold this for? It didn't hit to take profit 1 until about a day later. I'm still holding another position for take profit 2 on this order. Same thing here, not really going to break that down, like it's so easy to understand that. This pair I tagged it because when the market did close, that last 4-hour candle did close out of the level. So when the market opens later today at 2 p.m., I'm actually going to be taking this trade. And yeah, so the rest of these pairs right here, I do need to continue backtesting these ones. These are the last couple pairs that I need to backtest. And then after that, these, like, I think it's going to be like 6 or 7 pairs are going to be the only ones that I trade. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be risking 1% on these pairs, so I don't have to risk 0.5%. I can actually risk 1% just because of the minimal amount of pairs I'm trading. And I should be good after that. 1% should be good enough for me to be able to pass a challenge. So far, with the percentage return over the course of 100 trades, which takes about 2 years for me, I'm averaging about a 60% return. And so I did the cross-referencing and everything. So over the course of 2 years, I'm averaging a 60% return, which is about 30% return at the end of the year. But I did cross-referencing, and I have found that I'm taking about 6 trades a month. And so what I did was went month by month, so I should be profitable every single month, or at the very minimum break even. But I should be able to manage to make about 5 to 6% every single month consecutively. Sometimes I'm going to have those really bad weeks, but then I'm going to have those weeks that are going to bring me up. So anyways, I'm not going to go too much into detail because you guys really need to see the statistics and numbers to be able to understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, guys, that's been the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. There's really nothing special about this video. I was just going over my metrics and saying how I failed the verification. I did learn 2 big things. I did learn that the 1 hour, that's not a good enough time frame to be taking break and retest trades off of. I need to be using the 4 hours so I don't get caught up in false breakouts and I only get the real breakouts. That was one thing I learned. The second thing I learned was I was risking too much for funded accounts, and that was also because I was trading too many different pairs. I was trading so many different pairs, and a lot of those pairs weren't even profitable with my strategy. So that was the second thing I learned. And moving forward, I'm going to be trading like literally 6 or 7 different pairs, focusing on those pairs and just getting better that way. But yeah, for the second time, that was a video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy the video, subscribe, click the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. If you did enjoy the content, I'm only going to be getting better from here. I do these videos every single week. Comment down below if you guys should comment down below and tell me what I should be doing better with these videos. But other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great rest of your day, and peace out.